Hello students, our topic grammar, verbs and adjective. From that now we are learning verbs. Then what is a verb? Verbs are the action words in a sentence that describes what the subject is doing. Along with nouns, verbs are the main part of the sentence or phrase telling a story about what is taking place. In fact, without a verb, full thoughts can't be properly conveyed, and even the simplest sentences, such as Asha sings, have one. Actually, a verb can be a sentence by itself with the subject. It means what? Verbs are more important, and because of the verb, we can understand the meaning of the sentence. Then, without verb, we can understand the sentence properly. So, verbs plays very important role in the sentence, and because of that, we come to know about the subject. Some examples are here. Sachin eats his dinner quickly. In this sentence, which is the verb eats. Then second sentence, we went to the market. Then here, which is a verb? Can you identify? See here, went is a verb because if we can't use went, then we can't understand the meaning of the sentence. You write neatly in your notebook. Here, write is a verb. Next example, they thought about all the prizes in the competition. In this sentence, thought is a verb. Understand you well or no? If no, I am telling you some more examples for verbs. See more examples. The match started exactly at 11 a.m. In this sentence, which is the verb started. The Indian team found a firm footing. Here, which is the main word or action word? Found. Then found is a verb. Third sentence. Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyanchand. Here, action word which is awarded. So, awarded is a verb in this sentence. He began to send one pass after another. Here, began is a verb. The Indian team had won third time in a row. In this sentence, had won is a verb. These sentences are here given from your textbook for your better understanding. I think you understand verbs better. So, we are turning to the adjectives. Here, an adjective is a word that describes a noun, giving extra information about it. What is an adjective? Is a word that describes a noun and giving extra information about it. It means this word is describes more about a noun. For example, a sweet taste. A sweet is a word that describes more about taste. A red apple. So red is explains more about apples. Then a technical problem. Technical word explains more about problem. An Italian woman. This Italian word explains about woman. An exciting adventure. Exciting word explains more about the word adventure. A tidy room. So tidy word explains more about a room. So these are as adjectives. Some more examples here are: three brothers were lived in a small town. Here, small word explains about town. Then this is a adjective. Next sentence is, he went to see the middle brother. Here, middle word explains more about brother. Then middle is a adjective. I distributed the rice among the poor people. The poor word explains more about people. So, poor is the adjective from this sentence. The sack of rice was lying with me for a long time. So, long word explains about time. So, in this sentence, long is the adjective. A wide smile spread on friend's face. Wide word gives more information about smile. That's why here wide is also an adjective. So I think students, you also learn about adjectives and you understand it very well. So now we will stop here.